Hi, Alex here with Autonomous Trading. Today I'm going to tell you how you are going to make $1 million or more in the markets. This pretty much is going to depend on the size of your capital, and therefore you can eventually make less, but the reason you are going to do it is because we are going to make it happen for you, regardless of whether you are going to decide to participate or not. Therefore, your decision here is just one. You are in or you are out. If you don't know who I am, you can search on the web. You can visit our website. You can study my public track record in the markets for the past 3 decades. Hi, good morning, Alex here with one more free stock pick on the blog of the company, recommending to invest in Zillow, saying that Zillow, the share price would outperform Tesla. We made this announcement, and here you have, since the announcement it was made, upgrading Zillow at $38 and continuous buying opportunities. Today you have $60 in Zillow. So this comes from an article and free trade alerts on the news channel, on the blog of the company. You have here the article, sell Tesla and buy Zillow as Elon Musk sells his houses. This was more than 20 days ago. I'm referring obviously to trade alerts available on the news channel. So at that time Zillow, it was trading at $49, plenty of time for you to invest in the stock market buying Zillow. And here you have more buying opportunities, 1% free, the case of Overstock or PayPal and many others. This is one of my articles, and here it is explained why to buy Zillow. So I'm going to read. Another reason to buy Zillow is that the CEO said the worst is over. So there are thousands of CEOs that they announced the worst to be over, and therefore they recommended to buy massive amounts of stocks. For example, it was the case with PayPal, it was the case with Twill, it was the case with Zillow Group, and many others that we announced on the blog. The case of Lululemon and so on. I have no idea whether the worst is over, but I'm seeing Zillow share price soaring and everyone making money except stupid Americans. So this is the reality. The truth can be seen always live on the tape. And you have here the explanation why Zillow, it was going to outperform Tesla. So as of today, Tesla is a stock trading at the same price, $820, while Zillow, you can see it here, soared to new highs, $60. Okay, so you just have to follow the indications, the free trade alerts, the instructions, and by doing so, disregarding the useless opinions of scammers on the web, you became a millionaire. And if you refer to all the stocks that we referred and all the trade alerts on the blog of the company, 100% free, there was not one single case that didn't work. In fact, we are looking at the single best free advice in the history of the market. So we create history. What others they say, it is completely irrelevant, as I've been saying here since 1989, while the scammers, they have been defrauding everyone else since then. All right, thank you.